Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cute caramel apple. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our caramel apple, I'm going to begin down here and we're going to curve a line up. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to curve a line that's just going to come up and down. And then right here I'm going to curve another line that's just going to come up and it's going to come down. Now, starting out here, I'm going to make a wavy, kind of squiggly line. So I'm just going to make a wavy line that's just going to come all the way out here and back. So it kind of looks like there's extra caramel coming off of there. Then I'm going to make another little curved line right here to kind of show where the bottom of the apple is. Right up here, I'm going to make a little bit of a squiggly line across to show where the caramel ends and the apple begins. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up and come down for the little stick. Now I want to make a little face on our caramel apple. So I'm going to make a line that's going to go in and then come back out. And I'll do another one here. I'm going to go in and then back out. So it kind of looks like it's got like laughing eyes. Right here, I'm going to make a line across for the mouth. And then a line that comes down and then up here with a little line across for the tongue. And then I'm just going to color this part of the mouth in. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute little caramel apple. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.